Honestly, I think I was just a bit stuck. I realised I was like putting on a little bit of weight and generally unhappy with like how I looked and how I felt. But I struggled on how to fix it. I tried running, I tried fasting, and because that had worked for other people, but it really didn't work for me. So I felt like I put a lot of effort into the wrong thing. It never really stuck. So it kind of made my confidence a bit low. Mood was a bit low as well. And yeah, just like body confidence is like pretty diminished. So yeah, it was quite a few struggles and I kind of felt a bit lost. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't hesitant. I was massively hesitant. I think I'm just generally a nervous person anyway. But the main thing for me of why I felt that was I was worried that it was going to be another one of those things I failed at. And I shouldn't have been. I got recommended some because it worked for him, and it really did work for me.